Hi everyone, this is Luis Cuevas from Casa Cuevas Cigars, and super happy to be here at TPE 2021. And really the focus of this year for us is the launch of the Patrimony cigar, which is our first new launch since, my lord, summer of 2019. So we're excited to have it out here. It's a Corojo cigar. We've never used Corojo before in any of our blends, and we're really excited about what we've come up with here. And I got to give credit here to Umberto Arias for the design on this cigar. And Patrimony essentially means heritage, and it's a paternal heritage. And having my great-grandfather having started the cigar business for us, and then moved on now with my son, fifth generation, this is an homage to my dad and my grandfather and my great-grandfather, now passing on to my son. The packaging itself has been a bit of a labor of love, and we've gone through a bunch of different, thought processes in terms of what we wanted to come out with, and ultimately I think we came out with something that represents us as a family. The original band is there with the 4 generations before my son got in. Now on the Patrimony itself, you see the 5 stars. That represents my son, who was the 5th star. So it encompasses everything that we're talking about and really what the cigar stands for. Unfortunately, packaging also leads itself to, especially with COVID now, getting things in a prompt manner. And so while we were able to get cigars with the bands on them, as you see here, the boxes themselves are still not ready. They will be ready by about the 1st or 2nd week of June, so we're excited when the finished product comes out. But the cigars are ready. The factory, obviously being ours, expedites that process. But once it all comes out, we're extremely excited about not only the cigar, but just the packaging itself. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Maybe I'm being biased, but anyway, Umberto always does a great job for us and continues to do so.